Welcome back to the True 180 Foundations of Success course. So today is part 3 of our Nutrition Deeper Dive. Today is about preparing to win. How do you take the overwhelm out of food prep? One of the things that helps a lot of people is to remember that it's really just two parts. There's just planning and there's simple preparation. So number one is, how do you make planning simple? A lot of the overwhelm that people have, or the anxiety people have about planning their nutrition, can be eliminated by just remembering two facts. Number one is that the fewer times per day you eat, the easier it is to lose weight and keep it off. And number two, variety is grossly overrated. And what that means is, just from practical terms, it's much easier to plan for 3 meals a day than it is to plan for 5 meals a day, for obvious reasons. And for variety, there is absolutely no research to show that constant variety in your diet is something that's natural. So you can't find this in hunter-gatherers. Hunter-gatherers eat about the same number of foods that modern humans do. And there's no evidence to say that forcing yourself to eat a more varied diet improves your health. There is research to say that increasing the variety of your diet mostly just makes you take in extra calories, and extra calories lead to extra body weight. So planning can be broken down just 2 simple steps. 1, pick 1 to 2 meals that you can make in bulk, simple meals. And 2, write out a grocery list. So here's an example of a day. Breakfast can be a mint chocolate protein shake. Lunch can be fat-free Greek yogurt with a banana and strawberries. And dinner can be turkey chili over rice. So this gives you 3 distinct flavors over the day, which goes a long way to keep you from getting sick of your food. So preparation made simple. Simple preparation is the result of planning for simplicity, realistic planning. If we use the above example, you have very little cooking and prep work that you need to do in order to be ready to win this week. For breakfast, all you need to do is have whatever meal replacement you're using, and some mint extract and ice on hand. And it's also really easy to change out that breakfast for a completely different flavor profile. You could leave out the mint extract and use some coffee instead of your water, and now you have a mocha protein shake, if you needed a little bit more variety at your breakfast. But it's really, really easy. For lunch, all you need is a 1-cup container of fat-free Greek yogurt. And more often than not, frozen berries are just easy to manage because they're not going to mold in the refrigerator, and you can pop them in the microwave before you eat them. And your dinner can be prepped and put in the slow cooker or just a pot on low on the stove in less than 20 minutes, and you can eat that all week long.